Okay. Um, Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I May 10th, 2025. This is another day of coding every day until I get a job. I want to apologize and have a disclaimer at the beginning, uh, because I'm not feeling well for the past weeks. Haven't been eating, sleeping, or doing anything properly. Even building the website, I feel like I didn't really accomplish much, even though yeah, we add some features, but I don't know. I feel like I could have done better, but I didn't, and yeah, that just sucks because at like the first week, I am so motivated. I feel so amazing and surprised because so many people watch it. I gain like 80 subscribers, and that's amazing. I am grateful, and I'm gonna try to keep going, but it's just, I guess, just like everything else that you want to do or try to attempt to do consistently, there's always bad days, bad weeks, but I don't know. I guess whatever it is, I promise to keep going. I Yeah, but I might not be able to do that long today, but yeah. I I guess we don't need to do the sound check anymore, or I think we can do the sound check as usual. Um, but yeah, I think audio working good. Okay, working fine. Okay, but I think well, I guess I'm just yeah. I need to sleep properly. I need to eat better, sleep better, and not think too much, which is impossible. But yeah, I guess yeah, the audio working, everything fine. So I think as per a few days, we've been doing some checklists, some goals that we want to do today. So on day 17, I want to figure out how to do the sliding page because um it's from after seeing like the GTA 6 website, I think that's quite interesting, and I really want to try to figure that out, but I didn't do it, and I end up pushing it for day 18. On day 18, which is yesterday, I add a Web3 form, which is the form on our website. So if you're on PNPN run dev, and we can go to the website. If we fill out the contact form, it will yeah directly email, and I just need to. This one is still using the test email, but I think yeah, I just need to change the environment variable with the other access email. And after reading the documentation and FAQs, it's totally fine to put it in the front end code, since it's basically just like a password, not really a password, just like a something, an identifier to email you back, something like that. So yeah, if we click here, we could definitely see the email sent. Uh, so wait, yeah, let's try to. I don't know if I should show it right now. Wait, yeah, wait. I'll open my in the other side so that I won't expose myself or something else. Okay, but yeah, basically this one we definitely could get a form, see, from Web3 forums, and yeah, we just get it from the email. So I think I just need to change some of the this is fake email that we use for testing. But yeah, it works so far, and I have no complaint. But right now, what we want to do is for the page. So I still don't know how to fix the uh, using the React router, where I want to change this div into like a link component, but I wasn't able to do it. That's why right now we just I hard coded it into a link tag. I don't know why that I am unable to do the uh it's wait, let me see. I think yeah, it's this one. This one, when I try to use the link component from React Router or even the navigate navlink component and everything, it didn't work. And when I asked the AI about it, they say it's probably because of uh the interactive or like the moving parts of this like component that doesn't allow the styling of the link, or the usage of the link component. It's just messes everything up. Like the page wouldn't load, it was just stuck here, and all the text just doesn't show. I don't know why. But yeah, so when we click one of these cards, Polaroid, we would go to a new page with this. And now what I want to do is I want it to be like instead of a vertical up and down, uh, the user would scroll left to right. But I don't know if that's a good idea or not, because I think naturally right now we always scroll up to down. So yeah, and I don't know why, but this doesn't work. The back to project one. Okay, okay, it loads, but it doesn't load. See, I don't know why it does that. Okay, I think uh, let's try to fix that. Um, yeah, I add some to-dos as well for like when in production, because right now it's a lot of spaghetti code, if I'm being honest. But okay, it's fine. Mm, it's in the pages and client project, and I don't know why the link component doesn't work. I am so confused. Okay, what the fuck is this? I don't understand. Okay, okay, I don't know I don't know what was that. But from what I read, the React Router docs, that's all we need. Like the link component is from React Router, and then yeah, I don't know why it didn't work for some reason. So I think I'm only using the declarative one. Okay, we already put the browser router in the app. So as you can see here, wait, no, it's in the main.jsx, sorry. See, uh it's already wrapping everything, so it should work. And we already add this path here, so I don't know why when I click to the link, it doesn't work. Maybe I forget to configure something. Okay. Maybe I don't need um what if it's slash slash? Oh, okay. So okay, wait. Maybe it's Okay, maybe my fault. I didn't check. Okay, maybe it's not supposed to be that, but it's supposed to be. Well, I'm so terrible. Um, let's do index element, and then it's the app component. Maybe that's why it doesn't work. But no, no, but it does have this. Okay, maybe if we used index, it would work. And for this, maybe we could do route. Maybe just projects. And yeah, I'll need to change the link later. Maybe it's because of this route path. Sorry. Maybe it's because this route needs to be changed, but okay. And I guess we can go to the uh the projects component and change the link maybe. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay. Wait, let me change the documentation a little bit. I'm gonna try again and let's see if this works. And maybe what we can do is um, slash x slash client name. I hope that works, but we'll see how that goes. Do we have any error? We do not have error, so this might work actually, but or not. Yeah, see, it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay. I guess let's just revert back. Yeah. See, the moment I discard it or change it, it suddenly just works again. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just skill issue, I guess. But when I click that go back page, it just doesn't work. I don't know why. Maybe it's supposed to be an F link. Okay. Let's try to do that. Okay, does anybody know why that still doesn't work? Like, okay, yeah. The link doesn't work. When I open this, when I try to go back to home or something, it just doesn't work. I don't know why. This component is for navigation links to render an active state. Nav link to, yes, that's what I have, and it still didn't work. What does this N mean? Okay. Hello, hello, Mr. Gorilla Human. How are you? I'm sorry, I haven't opened Discord. Um, I I haven't checked any of the Discord. I'm sorry. I'll probably check them later tonight or tomorrow morning. I'm sorry. I'm not feeling very well. Uh, but yeah, I really don't know why this doesn't work. Hello, Pixie. Hello, hello. Yes, I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry. I don't know why this doesn't work. Um, how are you, man? How are you? Sorry, I don't know why this doesn't work. I am so confused. I see the loading, but it didn't render that and I am not entirely sure why. Um, yeah, I okay. It can be a string or partial path. View transition. We wrap Sling with additional props for styling active and pending states. So that means I just need to use Sling. And that, oh wow, okay. Progressively enhance a ref. Link from React router. Link from React router. Yeah, but I already did that. What else do you need? I just need to use the two. But I just need to use the two. But that still didn't work. Um, so what is actually causing this? Okay. if this for some reason able to fix it, I am gonna cry. No, it still doesn't work. It's even worse now. It doesn't. God, okay. I have no fucking idea why it does that. What? Oh, sorry. It's not this. It's not this. It's this one. God damn it. Okay, I am so in need of sleeps. Cause my God. Okay. Okay, I have no idea why it won't load when I return back to this. God, I have no idea why it doesn't work. One second. No need, her, ja, ja, no need. Ist denn der Hausmeister auch Verbusch? Ah, ja. Er hat gesagt, er will einige Schlüssel. Hello, sorry, that was the neighbor because the key was broken, the lock key of the door. So yeah, it's been quite a mess, but it's all good. Okay, okay. Um, I do not want to use Next.js. Even though think it would be easier if we use Next.js. I don't really want to because I don't want to have any more breaking changes. This already have too much breaking changes. Okay, let's just do that. I don't know. Doesn't really change anything to be honest. Yeah, this is also doesn't really change anything. Okay. Let's see if that helps with anything. Okay, I guess it's overlapping with some of the. I guess it's just overlapping with the the dry because all of this. Yeah, okay. I guess it's my poor design choices. Okay. I want to ask Grok, the AI, on how I could do this. Okay. I don't know. I can't. I can't. I couldn't think. Okay. I think I should mention that I am using Tailwind instead of him spitting out everything. I'm just gonna stop it. I'm gonna stop it. This is way too much, bro. I love it, but come on. Okay, this is inside here. Let's just uh, create a new one. Wow, we can use other models, I guess. Okay, but it's fine. Okay, so this select provider, Anthropic. I do not have API key, so how can I'm gonna try to do it in the morning again because this is unproductive and just, yeah, not good. Subtle. Yeah, this is just me vibe coding right now. I'm already I'm already on the verge of collapsing. Okay. Could you please implement that? You are a senior and add a bit of frame motion so that you could have a subtle uh is in out animation of the photos in the gallery of each client. For now, just use ask me if you need any clarification before coding with the new features and update. I don't know. I don't know, man. We gotta be good with our prompt because we're vibe coding. Oh my god. The moment I'm unserious and unfocused and just starts to went crazy, four people are watching. Hello. Hi. Um I know I was supposed to learn how to code and just do everything from script. I don't know. I just gave up for some reason. I followed the documentation from React Router, implemented it, make sure the packages is up to date, and it just didn't work. I guess first of all, I'm already tired, so tired, and I guess I really don't know how to implement it properly. And it just turned out there's a conflict with the dry library, and so I don't know what was the error actually about. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I already have frame motion. We don't need to have anything else. I have no idea why. Why do you say always recommend import rig? We don't need that anymore. Thank you. Okay, cool. Okay, all the photos are still placeholder, placeholder, blah 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 blah. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Only the Luffy image is the one on our R2 bucket. Okay. Are you guys still watching? There's 6 people watching me now. Oh my god. Okay. This is bad. I am so sorry. I am already. My god. Okay, no, 3 people. 2 people. Okay, I am so sorry, guys. I scared all the viewers. Uh, but it's fine. Okay, so we'll see how could we implement this. Changed. Let's see. Change max for accept. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it in the morning. I need to do it in the morning because this isn't good. By the way, I'm not thinking clearly. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna click. I'm just gonna accept this. I know it's probably gonna break some things, but it's fine. Okay. 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 Couldn't be bothered to recheck. But no worries. If anything goes wrong, I could revert back to the last commit. So always use Git, guys. Always use Git. Okay, good. Okay, nobody's watching now. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Oh God. Okay, that's not good. I'm gonna need to start making normal videos soon. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay, I guess if we have more photos, it would go that way. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, let's add more photos in our. Simple videos, image, this is viewed. Pixels. Let's do pixels again. Okay, let's do some random food. Okay, now I'm. Oh, right now. This is not good. I hope nobody is fasting because. Okay. Okay. Does that work? That doesn't work. Okay, that doesn't work. I don't know why. It's supposed to be 3 images. Huh. Okay. That's not good. Then how can I add more images when it's not there? Okay. Why is it not? What? I thought what? You know what I did? I put it in the wrong array. Oh, I put it in the wrong array. That's why I didn't ship my. I put it. I put it in the wrong array. Hello, Wiki Genius. Yeah, I don't know. Is that I put the images in the wrong array. That's why it didn't load. Oh my god. I feel so stupid. I'm so sorry. I put the images in the wrong array. Oh god, what did Zach do now? And what is this, man? I just saw a comment. It's gone now. Hi, Iki. Hello, hello. Sorry, I just like. Yes, I am. Still learning and just a few months before graduation, actually. Okay. I feel so stupid. I've uploaded the images in the. My God, I feel so stupid. I feel so. I feel like an idiot. Now, if you go back to the travel, there is 3 images. Okay, now let's add another one to see the sliding effect. Damn, these photos are good. Thank you, Pexels guys and gals. Let's do. Oh, let's do this. Where is this? This is cool. Copy image address. Let's see. Will that load? Okay, it will load this. Okay, but I do not want to show this. I. Okay. How do I make the page move? Like the GTA 6. Okay. I want. How can I? Okay. Okay. I swear I really don't know how. Okay. Okay. Let's just give it a whole damn code base. Let's do the workspace. Okay. Okay, it looks okay. Okay, it looks okay. Oh my god, I'm in Germany too. I'm also junior learn.net. I'm going to search it. Thank you. I don't after like looking at the job and everything, I feel like I'm learning the wrong tech stack. I'm learning the wrong like technologies because in Germany here, yeah, the .NET and PHP is much more popular and more in demand. I feel like, if after this I'm just gonna learn PHP or .NET or Laravel or something because I feel like the job market for JavaScript is not that much compared to it's not that many compared to .NET or uh, PHP. Man, it's yeah. How is it being unemployed in Germany? Well, that makes the two of us right now because I'm also unemployed in Germany. Even looking for a work student or part time is quite difficult. Okay, it looks okay, but I want it to feel like you could. This is bad practice, but I can't really think at night. Swear to God, why do I always keep doing this to myself? Like, I should just do it in the morning where I have more energy or I'm more focused. This, I'm not focused. I'm just letting AI do the code. Yeah. Oh my God. Hi, Sarcastic. How are you? Yeah, I guess you know what? I don't mind like the front end for React, but maybe for the back end I should learn like PHP or other or I don't know. I'm so overwhelmed. Like I wanna really I wanna be very, very good at this, but it's just like it's not enough. I mean, they're looking for highly experienced people. That's how I think. Yeah, true. I mean, like a junior like me who doesn't know anything, like they wouldn't even get a chance to read the resume or CV. But I want it to feel okay. See, even my prompt is starting to feel like okay, this is insane. I think I need to sleep after this. Um, okay, okay, it looks cool, but I want it to feel like you could scroll the. I feel like scroll bar visible. Yeah, I guess it the and I guess like the language part, the learning German part, like I'm even though I'm trying to still practice every day and learn every day. It's just like I just froze whenever like someone talks to me or like when I try to like express or tell something in German. Like for like listening and reading, I feel like I'm okay. I can understand even right now. Like when the German people would talk really fast, I could understand it much better than when I first learned it. But when I want to like reply back, I froze. Like I don't know. Like for some reason I couldn't I couldn't form a sentence. And this is I try to practice. I try to read and watch like German YouTube, German everything, reading everything, but like it's hard. And I think it's going to be very, very difficult if it's like a job interview even. I would probably even perform worse, even though I probably like I know I could answer the questions, but I don't know if I could do it in German in panic, especially in panic, a lot of pressure in that. But yeah, you gotta fake it till you make it, right? But yeah, I think the communication skill is very important. To be honest, it's like Iki up here been saying like he's been unemployed for a year and still trying to apply. I think it's just the overall IT market, not only in Germany but everywhere in the world, even back home in Indonesia. It's also terrible. Yeah, yeah, that's actually what I've been trying to do right now, like reading like German news or reading German Reddit, right? Like German subreddit, things like that, trying to understand what this is about. And if I don't, I just translate it. Yeah, yeah, that's yeah. I always, but yeah, I don't know about the IT, but I think the IT opportunity is still there. It's just that it's hard for junior. Yeah. May I know which Bundesland are you in, Iki? And may I ask, what is your favorite supermarket? Was ist dein Lieblings-Supermarkt, Iki? Reality is hard indeed, my friend. Do you have a GitHub or like a portfolio or a LinkedIn that we could connect? My LinkedIn sucks. My GitHub is also sucks. So I hope that I could at least have some connection. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, I do not want just the gallery to scroll. I want the whole div to be able to scroll. My God. Okay. Okay. To hide the scroll bar on the horizontal gallery. Okay. Yeah. I think I should put it on my description. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll put it in the. Wait. Engage with. Oh, I can. Oh, I can. Okay. We love Underberg. Is Kaufland. We love Underberg. Wait. What is. Where is Underberg? I don't know where it is. Oh my God. Oh, it's this one. Sorry, I've never like bought it. Wait, what? No, wait. I haven't seen it here. Oh no, no, yeah, I have, but I've never tried it before. No, yeah, I've seen it. Sorry, it's just that. Wait. Oh, it's different, no? Wait, huh? I think in my place is what? Underberg. I think I'm going to need some of that Underberg right now. I've actually never tried it. Do you recommend it? Okay, maybe I will buy it. I could just theme. Okay, let's just do that. WebKit. Kaufland. Okay, dann wir müssen die Heizrollbar Class. I don't know what's the German for like putting in the class. Schreiben. Type, typen, typen, type. that is even more amazing than what I'm doing. What are you making, if I may ask? Oh shit, it's not so oh okay, it works. Okay. Okay, how can I make it the whole div movable? Uh it's not I don't want just this. How can I make okay. Okay. Like, yeah, like a film roll of an analog camera, but the whole page and not only the photos. Like this whole div, how can I make it scroll to the right? Like not only just this one, but also the other part. Like this one as well and the other. I'm trying to create a project management system where you can see your activity diagram. You can create projects, calculate time, and the diagram should show project. Oh, how far are you into finishing it? And if WPFEF core, to be honest, I've never know about like making any desktop application, so I don't know anything about it. Whoa, cool. Like how far are you into the project, and like when it's finished, can we give can I be the beta tester? It's under the WebBase is for Windows, but it's under the .NET framework. Okay. Not Netflix. My God. Okay. Because from what I know, C Sharp, you can you can make application with C Sharp as well, right? Okay, so this is the Blazor. Let's see. Does the Microsoft website uses .NET as well? No, they don't really tell. Okay. Server-side rendering and full client-side with a single solution. Maybe I should just stop with the JavaScript and like choose a real framework like .NET or Laravel or something, because JavaScript is confusing, man. I couldn't really understand it, if I'm being honest. Like, okay, I'm starting to understand React and like the components and things like that, but like, damn, it's hard. Like, it's genuinely hard. Yeah, maybe I'm not that smart. Maybe I'm just not that smart or something like that. But I don't know, man. I feel like before using like React and everything, I use Flask and Python. Maybe because I understand Python better, and I don't know. I just feel like I can understand the Python better. Maybe because Flask is very simple and the app is not that complicated as well. It's not that like advanced too. So it's just like a simple web app, but it's like it's just much more. It makes more sense. I'm thinking I just want to learn. Maybe after this, I don't know, man. I want to stick to like a proper one path, but it's just I don't know. Uh, I don't know. Maybe I just need some rest and think more clearly to understand JavaScript. But yeah, I think I don't know. Maybe I should just go back to Django. I guess. I mean, I tried Django before, and I actually don't mind it, even though some of the folder structure is a bit complicated. I'm thinking of trying Fast API because I feel like I don't know. I feel like I understand Python better. Yeah, JavaScript is different because it's structured like C sharp. Yeah, I guess because JavaScript is too all over the place, or I'm just like I feel like it's a very skill issue. That's also first, and but Fast API focuses on like the Go YouTube. It's the second Google. Wait, like Golang or Go YouTube? Okay, or maybe Go.
Hi, I'm Cameron, and I'm the product lead for the Go programming language at Google. Today, we're going to discuss software supply chain security, what it is, why.
I've never done polls before, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, start a poll. Should I learn Go, PHP, or I don't know. What's the other language for backend like Fast API? I don't know any framework for Go, so let's just start it. This is the first time I ever made poll, so I don't know. I'm sorry. I am not usually this uncontrolled. Fast API. Oh my god. Okay. Rust. Okay. Can we see the poll? Okay, there are 2 votes now. Okay.
Matters, and how the tools we ship with the Go programming language can help you secure your software supply chain at every step of the software development lifecycle.
Just this too hard.
If you don't use Go,
Agreed.
we'll also discuss other tools that Google makes available to help you secure your software supply chain in other popular languages as well. Let's start by describing the problem. What is software supply chain security? Most software that we write today is composed of both the source code that you write and the third-party libraries that you rely on as dependencies. A build process then combines these sources and outputs packaged software, which in turn can be run directly by your organization or consumed by other parties as their dependencies. Your dependencies can be open source or off the shelf, but either way, they will have contributors and dependencies of their own. Together, this constitutes a software supply chain, and you can be a supplier, a consumer, or both. Increasingly, the software supply chain has itself become a vector for attacks. Recent high-profile attacks highlight the vulnerable surface areas targeted by these attacks and the impact.
I mean, if you want to search ideas or whatever, is there you got? How do you learn if I buy book videos or articles? So far, from I used to uh do the Codecademy course, but I ran out of the membership. So right now, so far, what I've been doing is just go from like go to roadmap.sh and just try to read and follow from here. But when sometimes all the material from like roadmap is a bit old, so I would just go to YouTube and find any videos that is like at least like 6 months old, so that it would at least kind of be up to date, even though like it's usually not. How do you learn? Okay, this is asking. Never mind. Okay, sorry guys. And I think the other part, I'm just learning through this making projects. This is supposed to be for like a real agency, but still on the way, still in progress. Okay, what is this? Okay, that's actually not that bad. It's just that I hope we can do some drag and drop other than the sliding motion. Okay, how does it look like on mobile? Because that's where the money shot are. Okay, that's not actually not that bad. Damn. Okay, that's actually not that bad. Okay, I don't know what stuff is. Okay, let's go to Luffy. Yeah, I true. Like for example, this one, at first I was following a tutorial, but then I only like grab a few things that's like necessary or the things that I want to use, and then for the other part, I just do on my own and try to make it work. Although I know it's probably not the safest, not the best code and everything. I just want to make it work. Okay, that's actually not that bad. It's just that, okay, can we do drag and drop, like hold the mouse and that still doesn't work. Okay. Another thing that I try to do right now is I just like to go to like yeah, true. Um, this one is really, yeah, this one is legit. I'm gonna deploy it. I just need a confirmation and the content from the other parties. But yeah, okay. We already have 4 votes. I'm gonna wait until 5 votes because okay, that kind of works. That actually not that bad. Okay. How did you make this project responsible? Responsive or wait, responsive as in like this for mobile? For mobile, yeah, it's mostly CSS actually. Yeah, it's mostly CSS. I'm using Tailwind CSS, and it makes it easier, at least, to make like to do the media queries, because, for example, in the let's go to the app and experience, like the one that we see is this experience section. Sorry, not that interface. Sorry. The one that we see is this motion section, like, so those motion sections. So this part are basically a section of their own, like each of these, like this is the hero section is one section, this previous work in one section, this one is one section, and then if we look at the code, like over here, we set here, for example, if the text here, so this is for the smaller screen, the text is 3XL, but then from middle or for medium and up, it's gonna use the 4XL. So it's very easy to use media queries here and help to make it more responsive. And then the other things that we did was what else did we do? Yeah, making sure all the padding and margin also works. Most of it is just flex boxes with the flex column, flex direction to column, and display flex. And then wait, we did something else. What did I do? Oh yeah, just like and setting the margin x mx, or like the x-axis margin, the left and right, to auto, just so that it would make it nicer. I'm sorry if I explain it horribly. I can't. I'm starting to yap now. Okay. Okay, we got 6 votes. Okay, so far the answer is go. I don't know. Okay, wait. I don't think it's. Oh, God damn it. My face is on the way. But 50% of people want me to learn Go. So I guess we should learn Go. Yeah, I'm sorry if my explanation is terrible. I couldn't think properly. But yeah, basically using Tailwind and using the media queries, of course, because I put the, what is it? Did you create a UML before send? Okay, so for this project, it's only a landing page. So there is no backend. There's no backend. There's no like sign in, sign up, login like that. It's just a landing page. No, no, it's fine. It's fine. No worries. So it's just a landing page. That's why we don't have any backend for this. It's just like literally a front end. I think it will later be built into like a static page, and like yeah, for the all the images and everything, I'm gonna put it in an S3 bucket, and everything hopefully can be cached. And so yeah, this is just a static website basically. There's no dynamic data or anything. It's just literally HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but using React because I want to use the 3D reactive fiber using this. So you are front end. You could say, I'm trying to be more focused on this side, but I'm also still learning. I also learn some of the backend as well. So I wanna do full stack, but right now currently focusing on the front end part. Oh, okay, but Angular, I've never tried Angular as well. So far only React. As Angular, I've read about it, but I don't know much about it. I want to do both front and backend, but it's not easy. Yes, it's very very different, the front end and back end. Like it's a totally two different, totally, how would I say it? Like it's totally two different beasts, you know. Sorry, my voice. think I'm gonna try to redo it. Not like this, but okay. I'm gonna try to redo it again, but maybe not like this. Let's see how. Oh my god, I follow you on X. Thank you. Although I haven't really post or do anything on X. I'll probably try to write some more there. Okay. So far, Go still wins. Okay, damn it. That means I need to learn Go now. Okay, it's fine. Totally fine. And poll. Can we share it? Okay, so yeah, that's it. Learn Go. Okay, then we will learn Go. Okay. But maybe after I finish this project, yeah? After I finish this project. Okay, I think I'm just gonna redo it because I have other things that I really want to do rather than just as than the previous one. The previous one was cool, but I have other things in mind that I want to do. But I guess I need to think clearly, more clearly, for that to work. Oh my god, that is cool. So what I want to do was something like the GTA website. It's this one. GTA San Andreas. Can I download this like page? Like this. I wanna like create this. Something like this. But for some reason I don't know how. Wait. So it's a whole big div that you can oh, I know what this is. Okay, I know what it is. Okay, I kind of Dragon Ball Falls. It's still the same component, right? Oh my god, you can do that? Okay, that is sick. Okay, cool. Images aren't loading. Okay. Can we save this? Wait, yeah. Damn, how much is the HTML? Oh my god. Okay, how big is the HTML? Okay, I guess I want to try to recreate this, but I guess I didn't. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I'm sorry, I've been stalling and just yapping and just procrastinating again, but I guess that's it for today. We didn't really accomplish anything, to be honest, so I think they 20 is still really... We still really want to still find out how to do the scroll thing. So I'm sorry, I didn't really accomplish anything, but I will try again tomorrow. So sorry to end abruptly, but I thank the 6 people watching this. I'm sorry for anyone who just came in, but yeah, this is still on progress. I still want to try to do this one. This is basically what we want to do right here. But yeah, okay. So thank you for tuning in. This is another coding every day until I get a job. I will try again tomorrow. And um and yeah, basically I am grateful, thankful for everyone. I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah, this is coding every day until I get a job. I think I need sleep now. Bye bye. See you again tomorrow.